Kunal, let me come to you. Let me get your BTST ideas for our viewers.
So there'll be two buy calls. The first one is buying Kalyan Jewellers. That's a stock which is coming back into a swing breakout mode. And especially I think the 50 DMA breakout, which I believe could be a big trigger for the stock on the short term basis. So look out for targets in the range of 555, stop loss to be kept at 490. Titan is the other stock which is looking extremely attractive, and especially with this, on the line charts when we've seen the double bottom formation for the stock, with the base forming at 2950, 3000 levels for Titan. So look out for targets in the range of 3400, stop us at 3130.
Right, so those are the BTST ideas coming in from Kunal. Arpit, any BTST ideas from you?
It will be from the chemical space, and as you've seen, chemical sector has been quite outperforming. Within the SRF, if you look at the chart setup, a classical retest of breakout on the monthly scale, a weekly scale, a strong bullish candle. On the daily scale also, the stock is already up by 6 to 7%, but looking at the setup wise, we can definitely head towards 3000, 3050 plus. So SRF would be a BTST idea with keeping stop loss of 2870 for an upside move towards 3050 levels and 3100.
Okay, that's the take on some of those interesting ideas and the buzzers over there. But Chakri, we'll let you go on that note. Arpit, thanks as always for joining in as well. Next week, a hugely truncated one. You've got Monday as well as Friday, both being trading holidays. But yeah, on April 15th, that's Tuesday, you will have the CPI as well as the WPI print as well. And a lot of data when it comes to the global markets too. You'll have the import price index in the US being declared on 15th, retail sales, industrial production data as well coming in. 17th, you'll have the jobless claims as well, which will be out. And these are all indicators that the markets would be eyeing out for. When it comes to China as well, you'll have the trade data announcement come in on April 14th. And then, of course, the GDP, the retail sales, industrial production data, all coming out on April 16th as well. But handing out the week, and while next week is going to be a truncated one, we'll have a lot of interesting data points that the markets would be gather. But for now, we're done with this week, and I'm going to hand it over to Snehi to wind up the day for us.
Well, absolutely, Asha. Like you mentioned, truncated week, not one but two holidays next week. Monday and Friday markets are going to be shut, but that means Tuesday we have a lot of action coming in. We have CPI data coming in from India, lots of global action also coming in. So next week is going to be a week to watch out for, even though we're only trading for 3 out of 5 days next working week. But let's wrap up today's trading session, and Nifty has sustained all the gains that it has seen ever since the get-go today. We were higher by more than 2% at one point of the trading session, but nonetheless, we're still holding on to gains of approximately 2%, only a few points off the day's highest point, looking very good for the Nifty 50 today, comfortably above the 22,800 mark. It's a 40-point intraday gain coming in for the Nifty today. Sensex 2 in tandem with the Nifty, 1.8% uptick coming in, and 1,300 points is what we have gained just in today's trading session. So looking good for the Sensex as well. Nifty Bank also 1.5% higher, slightly off the day's highest point. Nonetheless, you have a 780-point uptick coming in for the Nifty Bank today, and we've just crossed the 51,000 mark as well once again. So looking good for Nifty Bank as well. Advance decline ratio today steeply in the favor of the advances. On the back of that, India Wix also was lower by about 5% in today's trading session. So that is also something. Oh, in fact, 7%. So that's also looking healthier on that front and looking good for our markets today as well. We're sub the 20 mark for now on India Wix, so looking good and healthy on that front as well. Today was the day of the metals because you had Nifty Metal, that was your top sectoral leader in today's trading session. Before we talk about sectors, let's just quickly address the broader markets as well. Nifty Midcap has also done very well in today's trading sector, but it's trading session. But it's the small cap end of the market that has done very well. Remember, today AMFI data also indicated that small cap schemes have seen a 10% increase in inflows on a month-on-month basis. Small caps continue to outperform the market, a 3% uptick coming in on Nifty small cap today. But well, yes, once again talking about sectors, Nifty Metal is your top sectoral leader. Hindalco, Jindal Steel, Tata Steel, JSW Steel, Adani Enterprises, SAIL, all of these have done very well. Hindalco about 7% higher and single-handedly holding up the index as well, looking very sharp over there. This was followed by Nifty Energy, Pharma, Auto, Media, Bank, PSU Banks, Realty, FMCG and IT. That's the pecking order of all your gainers today because all the sectors have closed in the green in today's trading session, looking very healthy for our markets. Nifty FMCG and Nifty IT least gaining sectors, but nonetheless a 7, 10 and 8, 10% uptick coming in on both of those names as well, so looking good. Names from IT like TCS and Coforge were out and down in today's trading session. TCS on the back of numbers that slightly missed earnings estimates. So that was the reason why TCS was in focus and slightly under pressure. Other than that, the pharma pack, Aurobindo Pharma, you had Sun Pharma on the back of that court order. Aurobindo Pharma started positive, continues to hold on in the green, but nonetheless, you have a US FDA order with 11 observations coming in, Form 483. So Aurobindo Pharma also lost out on some gains over there. Couple of stocks that were in focus in today's trading session, in fact, bunch of them, but we're out of time now. And the 2% uptick is what we have managed to hold on to the Nifty. Above the 22,800 mark is where we've shut shop for the week, and we'll see you on Tuesday, hoping that we are able to continue this gains that we've seen rather in today's trading session.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.